Hello guys, I know it has been months uh, until I made another video, but I I moved up in let me say knowledge on the Bitcoin price, and also the most important thing is the network. We had a significant drop a few weeks ago, and I was able to get out of the market before the drop happened. And not only was it because I saw some things into the price, but I also watched the network, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that. And yeah, let's get into this video. Hi guys, welcome back. Right now I'm going to show you something that it will change your trading site on the market a lot. Everybody and every YouTuber and every group leader of Telegram groups or whatever, they're all watching the price. They're drawing lines, and oh, I see a falling wedge, I see a rising wedge, I see a head and shoulders, and inverse head and shoulders. We're going down, we're going this, we're going that, but none of them is watching the network. I'm going to show you first of all, I'm going to show you what I saw before the dump. So this is called a Wyckoff phase. Going to the daily, Let me take candles right here. So here you can see this is a Wyckoff pattern. What is the reason of this? These patterns are created to get the retailers spend as much money and lose as much money as they possibly can. They pump the price up to then dump. They pump it up to dump. Up, we give hopium, they get in, they spend money, and we take it and dump. We end up and dump. And this is, if you compare this is on the daily time frame. If you compare this, then you can see that right now we are in this phase. And I know that everybody and their mother is willing to get to see the price of Bitcoin going up, because it's impossible to think, oh no, I invested money here and we are going down. Psychologically, you cannot think about that. But now I'm going to show you a little secret. I have watching the network, and right here you can see a cluster of Bitcoins here, 20,000 Bitcoin. We had a few here. Here you can see 19,272 Bitcoins were moved onto the exchanges. Here another cluster of Bitcoins moved to the exchanges. And here another one. Now look what the price did. Bitcoins got moved. Doesn't mean it's going to drop, but you have to think like a whale. If you are a whale, then you are not going to put your thousands of Bitcoins onto an exchange if it's not to get sold. Even if you're buying altcoins with it, Bitcoin will drop because the value will go out of the Bitcoin market cap. Now look what happened. Here Bitcoins got moved, and we had a drop. Here, this one is very clear to see. Bitcoins got moved onto the exchange, and we went all the way from 57,000 to 45,000. Okay, Then after that drop, it looks like, hey, everything is sold now. But look what happened further. Bitcoins got moved onto the exchange. Here also 12k Bitcoin. Here 9,000 Bitcoin. And we had another dump. Okay. After the dump, right after the dump, let me zoom in so you can see. Right after the dump, so this was the dump, we went all the way to 29,000 US dollars. Right here, 12k Bitcoin got moved onto the exchanges. Right here, 19,000 Bitcoin, another 10,000, another 13,000, and all those Bitcoins are sitting on the exchanges and waiting for the price, for the retailers, for the price to push up, to then press the sell button again. So that pattern, that Wyckoff distribution pattern, is created to get you psychologically think, oh, the market is going up, I have to invest again because it's going to the moon again. Huh? This time is different. Huh? It's not, guys, it's not. Last week, the network was so silent. You see this? Barely anything from 24th of May to right here, the 31. And look what they are doing right now. Look, huh? Right now, today, it looks like the price is going up, and the price is going up for sure. So they pump the price, and let me show you. But they also moved 7,000 Bitcoin onto the exchanges, literally 1, 2, 3 hours ago. And they haven't sold yet because the price is going up. I guarantee you, if they press the sell button, it goes down. But they are moving the price up so that everybody think, hey, this run is starting again, we are going up. To then, when they have their amount they are willing to sell for, they simply press the sell button, and a lot of people will again lose a lot of money. Then another thing that I saw is that we are in another Wyckoff phase. Let me show you this one. You see, print this in your mind. I'm going to take the 1 hour chart, I'm going to take the line chart. Here and here. Print this in your head. Okay. Now I'm going to close this, and this. Okay. This and this. What do we then say? We made a high, and then here we make a higher high. So here we make the high, and here we make a higher high, to then come down to this line, make a lower low. But you have to use the line chart, not the candlesticks, because if you use the candlesticks and you're watching the wicks, you'll see that this one comes lower. If you take the line chart, you can see this. Now, the next thing, we go up into this zone to then fall back down. We go up into this zone to then fall back down. Now the next thing is to make a lower low. And we don't know when that will happen. And I can make 100 of patterns inside of this broad pattern. Like this Wyckoff is just a broad pattern that plays out. But how that plays out, no one knows. But the goal is to get to this point. And now we are basically, now I drew this like on the 23rd of May. So you don't know the time of this pattern, of this Wyckoff pattern to play out. You don't know how it's going to play out, because if you're going to take the candles, you can see like, oh, this is a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder. And then I can make a W pattern here. And this is then the breakout to then dump the price, to make everybody think, oh, we are going up because this broke. Yeah, W pattern up, and we broke the neckline, and now we are going up. If you are a whale, I can tell you that here, I'm going to show you, I'm going to draw my boxes. We wick to here, and this here was the lowest wick. These guys know that everybody is watching this zone. This zone is the support zone that the whole world is watching on. They also know that below this box are thousands of stop loss orders from people who got in right here or right here. So if you are a whale, you have all the benefits to push the price below this box, just like this, to make a lower low, to make everybody think this market is dead. Why are they doing that? Because one, if they push the price to here, thousands of long orders, leveraged long orders, will get liquidated. Thousands of stop losses from the spot market will also get their stop losses going off, which will trigger a waterfall down. Plus, if this level gets broken, they know that thousands of people are going to put in short positions, because this was the support level, which is now broken. So they will think, oh, the market is going down further. I'm going to put a short order right in, right here. Then they can also pump the price and liquidate all the short orders and buy up all those bitcoins from all those stop losses, from all those liquidated longs, and the way up they will also liquidate the short orders right here. So if you take this trend line, I would not be surprised to see the price drop one more time, finding support, get every long liquidated, get every stop loss triggered, buy up all the Bitcoin, and then get all the shorts liquidated when they push the price further up. If you are a whale, you have all the profit in this zone just to take. And yeah, you can see Bitcoins put back on exchanges, and I am pretty sure that all these Bitcoins that are put on exchanges are not sold yet. And look, they are pushing the price up to get as many people in and to take as much money as possible when they will do their final drop. To then, of course, push the price further up. But I know so many people that lost so much money just because they didn't saw the pattern playing out and did not follow the network to see that all those Bitcoins got moved onto the exchanges. I mean, if you see something like this, alarm bells have to go off, guys. But no YouTuber is watching the network. And I can guarantee you that if you are combining the price and combining the amount of Bitcoins that are going onto the exchanges, it will change your trading career forever. This is something that you don't have in the stock market, simply because there is no network, and here Bitcoin is the biggest network the world has ever known, and you can just watch what's going from where to where, so you can also assume what's going to happen. So guys, I really hope that this video was helpful, and please like and subscribe and share this video as much as you can. Please press that like button. It means so much to me, and I also know that this information will change the way of you, will change your way of thinking how the network is working. So please like and subscribe, and if you want to join Bybit and trade longs and shorts, you can do that through the link in the description. And also, if you want to see cryptoquant, I also have a discount link in the description. So enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.